In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a wish list in 2025. I'm making this video just in time before the holidays, so you can go ahead and create your holiday wish lists. So what you need to do once you are on Amazon and you're logged in is go to your name in the top right hand corner. Once you've done that, you can look to the left here and you'll see your lists. From here, you can click on create a list, and this will take you to this landing page if you don't currently have any lists created. From here, you can click on create a list. You can have a look around here, but it basically just explains what you can do with a list. We're just going to click create a list, and then you can give this list a name. So you can call this whatever you want. It doesn't matter at all. I'm just going to call mine wish list, but maybe you want to put Christmas or birthday. Either way, create your wish list name and then click on create. Once you've done that, it's going to take you into your wish list, and there are some things that you need to set up now if you want people to be able to buy products on Amazon for you that get sent to your address. Because you don't want your address public, you want it hidden from those people, so you need to make sure you've done this right. So watch this video until the end, we'll get everything set up, and then we'll add products so people can actually buy those and they can get shipped to you safely. So once you're on the wish list, go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, then go to manage list, and that will take you here into your wish list. So you've got some settings here. So currently it is on private. We can keep it on private until we've kind of set everything up. You've got your Alexa settings here. I just tend to ignore those because I don't have Alexa. So list is for you. You want your name as the recipient, which it should be if you've created it on your Amazon. You can enter your birthday. I wouldn't really see why that's necessary, but you can add a description to this list. Again, this depends on who's going to your list, why they're going to your list, and why you're sharing it. So if it's just like a birthday or a Christmas list, probably isn't relevant to put anything in here. You are going to need to choose your shipping address though. So if you click on none, it's then going to show you all of the addresses you've got on Amazon and you usually ship to. So I'm going to select this one. This isn't my real address, by the way, so don't freak out. Okay, now you've got share my shipping address with sellers. By default, this is going to be unchecked. You want to keep this unchecked, in my opinion, because if you have this checked, buyers will be able to see your address essentially. Because with this unchecked, buyers will be able to buy things that Amazon hold in stock personally. Because Amazon has their own stock, then Amazon also has third-party sellers. If you keep this unchecked, your address will stay private, but you won't be able to add any products from third-party sellers. You'll only be able to add products from Amazon who has the stock, right? So Amazon hold stock for many products. You can only add those products and not products from third-party sellers, but your address is going to be private if you keep this unchecked. So keep this unchecked. Now, if you want buyers to be able to give you items that aren't on your list, you can check this. That's no problem. They won't be able to see your address. And then don't spoil my surprises. This basically packages them and it doesn't really say what is in the package, and once it's bought it won't be hidden from your list, so you won't know that it's been bought until you obviously receive it. So you can check or uncheck that if you want. I would keep this checked if you're creating like a Christmas list or it's meant to be a surprise. And then that's pretty much all the settings. Just make sure you've got your shipping address correct. Make sure if you want your address to be hidden, make sure this is unchecked, and then you want to scroll up, make this now public, and then save changes. And now you've essentially set up your list, so people will be able to view this. Once you give them the link, they'll be able to buy the things that you've put on the list, which we're going to do shortly, and they won't be able to see your address. So now what you need to do is search on Amazon. So let me just add an iPhone. So let's just say this iPhone 16. We can go ahead and click on this listing. And now if we go add to list, we can click on the drop down menu and you can add it to your public list, which is going to be your wish list. There we go. We can now view our list once we've added products, and you can add as many products as you'd like. And there you go. Here is your list. Now, if you want to share your list with someone, you will go invite, and you can invite them to view only, and you can either invite them by email, so you can send it to them over email, or if you copy the link, you can give it to them on like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, just however you communicate with this person. When they click on the list, they'll be able to then add it to their cart because they'll be logged into their Amazon account. They'll be able to buy it and it will just get shipped straight to you. So I hope that was helpful. Happy holidays, everyone. Please leave a like and comment down below if it was useful.